a couple symbols of freedom, the UH-1 Huey and the Super Cobra, the Huey Cobra. In the dust, coming out, your United States Marines in the Huey UH-1 and the Super Cobra. Okay, as our two Marine copters come down the line, I'm going to turn it over to J.B. Livingston, Captain, the United States Marine Corps. Sir, it's all yours.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, what you see before you is a UH-1 These aircraft are based out of Penn, California and San Diego. Aircraft belong to Marine Light Attack Helicopter Training Squadron 303, where it all begins down at Camp Pendleton, where we train all of the fleet, Cobra and Huey pilots, as they head off to do their missions around the world. The lead aircraft, the Huey, is pretty much a jack of all trades. Utility helicopter and attack helicopter, 7 or 8 different missions that it can do anytime over the battlefield, primarily command and control. 3 radios and a troop seat in the back allows the battlefield commander to elevate over the troop positions, see the enemy, see the fight, and direct movement. Additionally, a 7.62 minigun, chain gun, 7.62 machine gun, or a 50 caliber machine gun can be mounted in the back and crewed by the crew chiefs to direct fire on enemy targets. The aircraft are going to come around again for another low pass. You'll be able to see the AH-1 Super Cobra's 20mm chain gun on the chin-mounted turret. Both aircraft, when deployed over friendly forces, position themselves in such a way that they can fire on the enemy while protecting the ground troops. The Cobra has a night targeting system with a forward-looking infrared, charge-coupled television camera, laser beam, and a set of binoculars. All those used to visually identify targets and employ missile systems on them. We've got the tube-launched, optically guided wire-tracked missile, the TOW, for anti-tank, the Hellfire 2 for anti-tank, 2.75-inch and 5-inch rockets, unguided, and the 24-inch. The aircraft are crewed by Major Jaime Ibarra in the Huey, with Captain Keith Thorkelson and Lance Corporals Cummings and Waldron as crew chiefs. Captain Todd Nichols and First Lieutenant Brian Silver are in the Cobra. Although the aircraft usually cruise around between 100 and 150 knots, the Cobra is capable of a top speed at 190 knots in a dive and 170 knots with wing storms. Camp Pendleton, there are 6 HMLA squadrons. On the East Coast, there are 2 others, and there are 2 reserve squadrons. At any one time in Iraq, there's a squadron and a half worth of helicopters protecting our forces. These aircraft have seen combat all the way back to the Vietnam War. When it comes to safety, we can auto-rotate in the event of any kind of systems failure, but there's no specific armor to protect either the engine or any part of the airframe. The only thing protecting is the pilot's plane. Armor around the seat is the only thing we have, and what we try to do is put pain and discontent on them before they're able to even shoot up.
Anybody not moved by that needs to report directly to the Homeland Security group in the back of the building.